Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve examples of exercise 18A of chapter 18 area of a trapezium. Example 1. Two parallel sides of a trapezium are of length 27 cm and 19 cm respectively, and the distance between them is 14 cm. Find the area of the trapezium. Students, given in this question parallel sides. Parallel sides denoted by a small a and a small b. So let a small a equal to 27 cm. A small b equal to 19 cm. And distance between two parallel lines is h. Height. So height h is 14 cm. Now find, therefore, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So A plus B into height h equal to 1 by 2 into 20 A is 27 plus B is 19 cm into h is 14 cm. So 14 divided by 2, 7 times, 7 to the 14 equal to 27 plus 19. 9 plus 7, 16 of 6. Carry 1. 1, 2 plus 2, 4. 46 cm into 7 cm. 46 multiplied by 7, 6 7 ja 42. Of 2 carry 4. 4 7 ja 28 plus 4, 28 plus 4, 32. 6 7 ja 42. Of 2 carry 4. 7 4 ja 28 plus 4, 32. 322 cm square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example 3. In this question, the area of a trapezium is 168 cm square and its height is 8 cm. If one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6 cm, find the length of each parallel side. Students, let A equal to, one parallel side is A. So let A equal to x, then let A equal to x and other side B equal to x plus 6. According to question, area of the trapezium equal to 168 cm square. Next step is area of the trapezium, formula 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides is A plus B into height h equal to 168 cm square. That implies 1 by 2 into x plus x plus 6 into h height is 8 cm equal to 168. 8 divisible by 2 by 4 time equal to, that imply 4 into x plus x, 2x plus 6 equal to 168. Next step is remove the bracket. 4 to the 8x plus 6 for the 24 equal to 168. Now solve here. 8x equal to 24 by transposition change into minus 24. So that implies 8x equal to 168 minus 24. 8x equal to, subtract here, 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 2, 4 and 1, 144. That implies x equal to 144 by 8. Divide it 1 time 8, 6, 14 minus 8, 6, 6 4, 64, 8 8 is 64. So x equal to 18 cm. So parallel sides A equal to x equal to 18 cm and other parallel side B equal to x plus 6 equal to 18 plus 6 equal to 24 cm. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example 4. In this question, the parallel sides of a trapezium are 25 cm and 13 cm. Its non-parallel sides are equal, each being 10 cm. Find the area of the trapezium. So let ABCD be a trapezium. ABCD be a trapezium. Sides 13 cm and this side is 25 cm. Non-parallel sides are equal 10 cm. It's also 10 cm. So construction, draw CE parallel AD. CE parallel AD. CE parallel AD. So it is also 13 cm. 13 cm and here BE 12 cm. BE 12 cm. So CE 10 cm and 12 cm. Draw perpendicular CM H. It is hypotenuse. Yes, sorry. It is height H. We know that altitude divide the base of isosceles triangle. It is isosceles triangle 10 cm. It is also altitude. So divide it. It is 6 cm. It is this side 6 cm. Now in right triangle CME. In right triangle CME. CM equal to H by Pythagoras theorem. Under root longest side is CE. CE square minus EM square equal to CE square 10 square minus 6 square equal to 10 square 100 minus 6 square 36 equal to 10 minus 6 4 and 9 minus 3 64 6, so 64. A square root of 64 is 8 cm. So height here find 8 cm. Now area of the trapezium. Find the area of the trapezium. So height is 5 find 8 cm. So area of the trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H equal to 1 by 2 into 13 plus 25 into 8. 8 is divisible by 2, so 4 to the 8 equal to 13 plus 25, 5 plus 3, 8 and 2 plus 1, 3. 38 cm into 4 cm. Multiply it. 8 for the 32 of 2 carry 3. 3 for the 12. 12 plus 3 15. So 152 cm square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Now today your homework is solve examples of exercise 18A. Thank you. That's all.